Okay, video number 2. Here we are with the cough remedy. I make black pepper tea. Right now I'm going to be using about a 1/3 cup of ginger, chopped in a jar. Herbal tea. I like to use Celestial Seasonings. Sleepy Time. Put that in the jar. My hot water is ready, as you can probably hear by now. I'm going to be using about a tablespoon of black pepper. Put that in here. Have about 2 cups of this a day. Half a lemon. Squeeze that into the jar. And yes, I washed it and my hands for all those germ freaks. Then you take your hot water, which is done. Pour it in. You don't need a whole bunch of it, just enough to kind of get that tea bag nice and soaked and get the ginger activated. And then top it off with local honey. Again, use your local honey, but right now I'm doing this for someone else, so she will have to deal. I just pour it in. Yes, it is going to be messy. Whole bunch of it. When you use this, you use all the chunks within it, and I mean every single chunk. Normally I chop the lemon up and I put it in there too, but I'm not going to do that right now. I'm sure that she has lemons at home. You just chop it up and put it in there with it. And mix it really, really, really well. And like I said, about 2 cups of this a day with chunks. You'll take the chunks of the ginger and the lemons. You can even use your own tea bag. I just put this in there for flavoring. When you're taking it fresh out of a jar, I would use about 3 to 4 teaspoons of it in the bottom of a cup with extra honey. Right now I've got all the antioxidants and all of the good vitamins and stuff going on within the jar, since it's already boiled in with the ginger and the honey and the lemons and the black pepper. This will kind of help to soothe a sore throat and a cough. Kind of help you get over it a little bit faster. Simple as that. Then I'm going to take the lid. Where did I put the lid? Oh, okay, there it is. Put it on there, and then I'll put this in a pot with water and boil it for about an hour. But that's how you make it.